Broan's new line of chimney hoods come in a variety of styles and appliance-matching finishes for one beautiful and clean look. Equipped with a powerful 450 or 630 MAX Blower CFM, hybrid baffle filters, bright LED lighting, and easy-to-use soft-touch controls, Broan range hoods are perfect for today's kitchen. Broan's upfront integrated one-level LED modules illuminate the entire cooktop, compared to that of the competition's LEDs placed at the back of the hood. Broan's new line of chimney hoods include easy-to-use soft-touch controls with backlit identification. The sleek design allows for ease of cleaning with controls that are flush with the side of the hood's surface. With options of a 450 or 630 MAX Blower CFM, Broan's range hoods provide quick and effective capture efficiency and pull in smoke at a much faster rate when the speed changes from low to high. Broan's new line of chimney hoods offers quiet 3 or 1.5 zones at low speed. Turning on the range hood doesn't mean you have to compromise conversation in the kitchen. Keep the air in your home fresh and clean with a Broan-NuTone range hood.